That behind me is not a screen, that's a projector. It's stunning. Let's get straight into it and let me tell you more about it. Hey, what's up? Welcome to my channel. My name is Josh Kun. I'm a music producer. I make lo-fi beats, and today I'm going to be reviewing a projector that I recently got from a company called Wolfang, and it's called WP04, and I'm going to show you guys what you can do with this projector and how you can implement it into your own setup at home. Let's go. The Wolfang WP04 is a smart portable 4K supported projector. One of its standout features is its official licensing for apps like Netflix, YouTube and Prime Video, meaning you can stream directly from your device without needing a Fire Stick or a phone to mirror from. For the price bracket that the projector is in, I think the brightness of this projector is amazing. With a smart setup, it features a SLR level autofocus and auto keystone correction, so the image squares up and clears up instantly no matter where you place it. With a 180 rotatable stand, you can get a projection of up to 300 inches and a 50% digital zoom to fit smaller rooms. Looking at the audio and tech side of it, it's equipped with a dual 12-watt hi-fi speaker, Wi-Fi 6 for lag-free streaming, and Bluetooth 5.2 to connect to external soundbars or headphones. So whether you're an iPhone user or an Android user, this is the perfect setup for you to have your own personal cinema at home so you can chill out and watch movies with your friends and family. Weighing only 2 kilograms, this is a very lightweight and portable projector that you can carry around with you and your family anywhere you go. The outer shell is made out of a high-grade, heat-resistant ABS plastic with a dual-tone white and grey finish. And like everything else in life, there is always a downside to every product that we buy, and one of the downsides to this product is it's got a loud fan. Now, for someone especially like me who produces music, I need a very quiet environment because I'm constantly working with frequencies, and if I'm recording anything, I need the mic to be picking up nothing but the source that I'm recording. So yeah, that's one of the only downsides to this projector. But on that note, I want to send a massive thank you to Wolfang for actually allowing me to review this product and show it to you guys. So if you are interested and you do want to buy it, the links are all in the description. Any questions, anything like that, you can always ask me, and you can always send an email to Wolfang themselves. Alright, so one of my favourite features about this projector is that it can actually be placed anywhere you like in your room. So whether you want to place it on the floor, you want to place it on a table, you know, whether you want to place it on your bed, it doesn't really matter. You can place it anywhere you like. It's really lightweight, it doesn't take up too much space, and one of the key features about this is it's so bright that you can actually turn it up during the day and you can watch it like a normal TV. It's amazing. I've tried this myself and it works really well. I don't normally like to review products that I don't like, so this is one of those products that I actually genuinely like, and that's why I'm reviewing it for Wolfang. Alright, so if you want to buy the projector from Amazon, there's a link in the description. Just click on that, it'll take you straight to Amazon where you can purchase it. And if you've got any questions, let me know in the comment section and I'll reply back to you with as much detail as I can. And as you can see, it's currently set up on my wall right here. So if I stand up, I'm in front of the projector. I don't want to be in front of it, but hopefully you can see that it's right there. It's an amazing quality. It seems to have one of those bright sort of features that no other projector that I've used so far has. So I really recommend this to anyone that's serious about their craft and wants to implement this into their own setup at home. So whether you're a content creator or you're someone who just wants to casually just use this at home, this is perfectly for you. Okay, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did like it, hit that like button for me and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content in the future, and share it with your friends and family. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.